telling you this one as my number one. If you watch this video to the number one, you really will be making a lot of money. Are you flat broke? Bill spending? Broke? Unable to eat 3 times a day? You don't have a car and you're looking for something to pay your bills with? I'm just gonna give you 5 guaranteed things. This is not ChatGPT, no BS, not the regular things you've been coming across. I'm just gonna tell you 5 basic things that I did that gave me money to keep myself sustainable until I found a good and reliable job. First of all, is get an e-bike. If you're a new immigrant in Canada and you're looking for a way to start making money as soon as you land in Canada with how competitive the country is right now, get an e-bike. Go on Amazon, you get good e-bike with $900, $800. If you can find a way to save up $800 and buy an e-bike, you can make food deliveries. DoorDash, Skip the Dish, Uber Eats. You can do that thing for like 8 hours a day. You're gonna make a lot of money. You're not buying gas. It's even better than having a car. You're not buying gas. You're not riding with stress. It's electric. You just have to charge it. And you make a lot of money. You can make an average of $2,000, $2,500 a month riding e-bikes just for food deliveries. You just have to like prepare yourself in the winter, like gel up, have your winter jacket and everything. But it's a guaranteed sure way of getting $2,000. Most people don't know about it. Second one is Temu haul. Temu haul. You go on Temu, search for a lot of cheap stuff on Temu, a lot of home accessories, a lot of things people need that are very cheap on Temu. What I used to do is you can go on Temu, spend hours going through the site, take your time, look for cheap stuff, buy them. Once you get them, post them on Facebook Marketplace, add your own price to them. If the stuff is like $15, you can make it $25. Post it online, you'll make your own money. You know, one of the things I did was, back then, I go on Temu haul. When I did Temu haul, I'll look for wristwatches, like I'll look for some fancy wristwatches that women will like, and I'll purchase them, and I'll go on Marketplace, I'll resell those stuffs. You know, sunshades, I'll buy sunshades on Amazon, Temu, you know, it's cheap. I might buy the sunshade for like $5, and I'll put them on Facebook Marketplace for like $20, $25. And I quite sold a lot of them. You know, it's like you're helping people save them stress. Some people don't know how to shop on Temu. So that's where you come in. You go on Temu, you find cheap, affordable stuff on Temu, and you repost them, and you resell them on Facebook Marketplace. Like 100% assured that you're going to make some sales. Number 3 is Thrift Reseller. Thrift Reseller is also similar with the Temu haul. The difference with this Thrift Reseller is you go to like thrift stores like Value Village. There's different kind of thrift stores. It's been a while I've been to the thrift store, but when I was doing it as an international student, I was making money from it. I'll go to thrift stores. We look for mostly kitchen utensils. Kitchen utensils are something people need, and most people really don't have time to go to the thrift stores. So what you do is you go to thrift stores. You might be fortunate, you see some clean stuff, or go to the gaming sections. You might see some toys that are fancy toys that are rare, cheap. You buy them, you go home, you clean them up, and you put them on Facebook Marketplace for sale. See, Facebook Marketplace, people don't tell you how big Facebook Marketplace is. You can make thousands of dollars on Facebook Marketplace. Like, this is not all those stuff people do. You can make thousands. Like, I literally was making money on Facebook Marketplace, selling stuff from different places. I get stuff from thrift stores or there's a lot of thrift stores. Just look for thrift stores near you, wherever city you are, and go to the thrift store right now and start looking for something that you feel that is cheap, affordable. You can start the stores with like a minimum of like $100. You can even start with $50, and you don't spend the whole $50 on one item. Like, make sure the $50 you spread it to like maybe 3-4 items, or even 5-10 items. Then you go on Facebook Marketplace, you have your own extra fee, like maybe $10 extra. You make your whole money. If you do that 3-4 times a week, bro, bills paid. You might not even want to look for a job. Like, these are some quick get to money easy things. And number two is car detailing. I know there's a lot of videos talking about how expensive it is to set up a car detailing business, but I can tell you as an international student, you don't really have to spend a lot of money on that. You can get easy setup for like $200. If you go on Marketplace or Amazon right now and look for cheap, affordable car detailing utensils, or go to Dollarama. The easiest, you go to Dollarama, you get your utensils in Dollarama. Dollarama is known for getting cheap stuffs, in under $2-3. You get your basic stuffs, you spend like invest like $150 into it, get your basic items for car detailing. Like, these are business you can do as a new immigrant because you don't care, people don't know you. The reason why Canadians don't really do these jobs is because they see the jobs like maybe it's shitty, or because their friends are going to see them doing it. But you as an immigrant, like, I don't think you should care about your first 1 year. Nobody knows you. You don't even have any relationship with anybody. And any relationship you have will be built on whatever you are doing at that moment. So if you are doing car detailing, your relationship with people will be based around that moving forward. You know what I'm saying? So car detailing is one thing you can do. Like $150, $100, you can get all you need on Dollarama. Go to the nearest Dollarama. And once you get the utensil, how to get to people. What I used to do back then is, if you have worked for people that used to do door-to-door services, you're going to understand this. Like, you go to some rich neighborhoods in your area, in your city. You know, if it's Kitchener, there are some rich neighborhoods in Kitchener. In Cambridge, there are some private neighborhoods in Cambridge where they park their cars outside. You press that dumbbell and you take a step back outside. Don't go too close to their door, because in Canada, it can be soliciting can be an offense to an extent. So you click on their bell and you step back. They come outside, or you tell them, oh, you like to help them clean their car up for a very less charge, convenient. You do detailing of their car. You knock on doors. Trust me, if you knock on like 10 doors, at least you're gonna see like 2-3 that's gonna let you clean their car. And tell them you're gonna clean the car for them for like $50 or maybe $40. Bro, by the time you clean 3 cars, 4 cars, you've made what some people go to the factory to go and make. Like, you pay your bills, you're already making like $200, $150 a day. So imagine if you do that for like 3-4 times. You don't even have to do that 7 times in a day, 7 times a week. If you just do that for like 3-4 times a week, you're good. They're good. Car detailing, you're good. So it's like, these are guaranteed. I'm not cutting around the bush. That's why I'm just trying to tell you guys what's up. As an international immigrant or international student in Canada, like, these are some fast, easy, guaranteed way of making money. I'm not trying to tell you about some Amazon shit or tell you about go and be doing some survey feeling. No, I'm telling you real, direct, confirmed, tested way to get paid as a new immigrant in Canada that is trying to get bills paid, broke, no money, no family, way to get to it. Like, no cutting around the bush. And number one is my favorite, and that gave me the highest money I've made in my side also, is moving help. You see, people in Canada, people are always moving. People are changing houses month to month. So you always make money being a mover. There's a lot of, oh my God, I wish you guys can really understand what I'm saying. There is a lot of money in moving jobs, and I'll break it down. Just hold on, watch this video to the end and listen to me carefully. This is how you make $4,000-$5,000 a month. Like, in a week, I'm making $1,000. Moving here. You just got to know how to network it. And I'm going to break it down in this video for you guys how you're going to do it. See, what I used to do is, there's a website, it's called movinghelper.com. Go on the website, sign up. You're going to use your ID and your phone number to sign up. Then they're going to send you a link to how you're going to do your verification. I will see if I can add the image of the website in the video here, movinghelp.com. Go to Moving Help, sign up. It's called movinghelp.com. Sign up, put your phone number, your ID for verification. You're going to ask to do self-verification with your IDs. Once they approve you, it's going to take like 2 weeks to get approval. on the website. Movinghelp.com. I think it's Moving Help or Moving Helper. I'm gonna put it in the web. I'm gonna put the website and the link in the somewhere in the video here. You're gonna have it, or in the link in the video. Moving Helper, sign up. Once you sign up, you're gonna create zone where you are going to be getting jobs from. The Moving Helper is owned by U-Haul. U-Haul, those people, U-Haul is where you get trucks or moving supplies. So if you need movers, so your ID, your locations where you get people determines by the ID you use to verify yourself. The address on your ID. If the address on your ID shows Kitchener or Toronto, you are going to be getting jobs from the within Toronto vicinity, Scarborough, GTA, Vaughan. You're going to get within those. You're not going to be in, your ID is Toronto, you can't get jobs in, you won't be getting jobs in Saskatchewan. You're going to get jobs within your vicinity. And let me tell you how that works. You can charge as much as you want. When I used to have the app, I charge about $250 for 2 hours. I'm just gonna have one person to work with me. I'm just gonna go look for somebody from school. Like how to get employees. You go on Facebook Marketplace, you post you need moving helper that can work. You're gonna pay the person $25 an hour. That's what I paid them. I paid them $25 an hour. So some jobs can be for 4 hours. And imagine I'm charging $250 for 2 hours. So 4 hours is $500. And whoever I'm taking with me, I'm paying them $25 an hour. So if the job is for 4 hours and its total is $500, I pay the person for 4 hours, $25 an hour each. That's $100. I have $400 to myself. Like, this was easy money. You just have to have manpower labor. Some you don't even have to do it. Sometimes I might even be busy with my classes. Like some clients want to schedule for 2 p.m. and I'm busy with class. I'm just gonna go to the group chat. Like student group chat, I'll post who needs a job, $25 an hour, manual labor. You just have to do moving. A lot of people gonna DM you privately. I'm telling you, a lot of people gonna DM you privately. This is something I did. They're gonna DM you. You're gonna message them, tell them about the job, give them the address. They will go there, tell them what they are doing. They will talk to you on the phone while you're in class. You're having your class, or you might even have a regular job, but that moving help is still paying you as a side also. Like, this is an average. You make $3,000 a month, guaranteed. But you have to. The website is also sensitive because when people you send over there, when they do a bad job and they don't do the job well, you can have your website, your account on the moving help can get deleted. And the more comments, the more reviews you have, the more your moving app account will be suggested to other people that needs moving services. So moving job guaranteed. You see this one, I'm telling you, this one as my number one. If you watch this video to the number one, you really will be making a lot of money, millions of money. No, maybe millions might be exaggeration, but you're going to be making thousands. When I say millions, maybe I mean if you convert it to the local currency where I came from in Nigeria, it's millions. But in Canada, you'll be making thousands of money. Thousands of money. So go to the description. I'll drop the link of the moving help in the description. Sign up if you're in Canada. Use